Hello, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Taurus, maraming salamat sa inyong mga likes and subscribes. Pati na rin sa mga comments po. Maraming thank you. Paunang mensahe po ninyo ay strength. Ayan. So, you may need to activate your inner strength dito and courage, no? Sa ngayon, maybe because siguro may mga sitwasyon kayo na medyo challenging, baka mayroon kayo mga sitwasyon na baka may mga pagsubok, no, sa buhay na kinakaharap kayo sa ngayon. Kaya magpakatatag lang kayo, tibayan ninyo ang inyong loob at kaya ninyo yan. Okay? Kaya maaring this is an invitation for you, no? Gisingin ninyo, no, yung inyong inner strength for you to be able to face whatever that is, no, na kailangan ninyong harapin. Probably then, kailangan ninyo ng inner strength dito for you to be able to embrace your psychic abilities. Kasi maaring hindi ninyo to masyadong ina-acknowledge na psychic abilities ninyo. Maybe you're scared of it, no? Or baka hindi ninyo ito matanggap, no? Sa sarili ninyo na you have psychic abilities. Maring ganon. Kaya kailangan ninyo natatagan ang inyong loob, tibayan ninyo ang inyong dibdib. Kasi this is you. This is part of your DNA, no? At maaring sa ngayon, malakas ang inyong mga psychic abilities. Nagpaparamdam na to sa'yo. You can feel its power, no? Kaya magpakatatag kayo, no? Because this is your mission in life. Gamitin ninyo ang inyong mga psychic abilities to make a difference in the lives of many, diba? To heal or to help heal the world, yung mga ganon. What else? We have closure. Ayan. So, for some of you, Taurus, maybe this is related to relationships, no? Baka merong test sa inyong relationship ninyo with your person rito in the past, no? At maaring nagtiyaga kayo, naghintay kayo ng pagkakataon na baka ito'y maayos pa. Maybe you've done enough already, no, to fix it. Maaaring ganun ang ganap dyan. Pero maybe ito na yung turning point ninyo at siguro masasabi nyo na sa sarili nyo na wala na talaga tong pag-asa, you've done enough. Kung one way na lang ito, diba? At wala ka ng tulong, walang effort na nakikita from the other side, diba? Parang wala na, no? Maybe ganun ang ganap, kaya you're going to put an end to this relationship. So, siguro ito na magde-decision ka na tama na. Tama na yung pagpapakamartir, tama na yung pagtsatsaga, matagal ka na naghintay, nagsikap na maayos, magsimulang muli, pero maybe wala na. Wala kang nakikitang effort. Kaya, maybe ito na yon, no? This is the end that you're going to totally cut the cords between you and your person. So, ayan. What else? We have travel. Ayan. So, may travel si Taurus. Maybe you are going somewhere, no? Maybe you are going at somewhere na siguro pasyal ito, pwede rin na business related, work related, no? Or baka gusto mong mag-retreat, no? Maybe you're embarking on a retreat and you're going somewhere para doon kayo mag-retreat, gusto ninyo mapag-isa, gusto ninyo magmuni-muni, something like that. So, good luck po sa iyo at mag-iingat kayo. Tingnan natin. Gusto siguro muna ninyong mamasyal, no? Para mag-gather muna ninyo ang inyong sarili. Lalo-lalo na kung kayo ay galing dito sa closure energy. We have stargazing. And when you gaze at the stars, you give yourself very focus. Your intuition will flow more freely and reveal what you need to know about your situation. Ayan. So, ang iba siguro sa inyo ngayon, this is an invitation for you, lalo-lalo na kung may access kayo, na mag-stargazing kayo. Kasi iba yung connection, no, na nararamdaman natin when we are stargazing, lalo-lalo na kung tayo lang ay mag-isa. This is like a meditation, no? Parang meditation ito na Pag tumitingala tayo sa skies, tinititigan natin yung buwan, tinititigan natin yung mga bituin, iba yung nararamdaman natin eh. There is something magical about it na sa pag-i-stargazing. There is something different talaga na mararamdaman kayo. At parang bumubuka dyan ang ating intuition. We are receiving free flowing of information, intuitive messages, kapag ginagawa natin yan. Kaya maaaring meron mga importanteng guidance ang universe para sa iyo sa ngayon. Kaya iniimbitahan kayo na mag-stargazing kayo so that you'd be able to pick up kung ano talaga yung mga mensahe para sa iyo. We have magical blessings, and with whatever you're going through, you're being assisted by magical fairy blessings. The fairies say you can bless others too. Ang daming biyaya na paparating sa inyo, Taurus. Maraming blessings ang ibibigay sa iyo ng Divine Universe sa ngayon, and use that blessings as well to bless other people, gamitin ninyo yan para ma-bless din ninyo ang ibang tao by using your mga biyaya na binigay din sa iyo ng universe. We have hope. Hope is always there, even if we can't see it. Optimistic expectations can help change a negative situation into a positive one. Okay? Umasa lang kayo for the best possible outcome lagi, There are so much potential out there, lalo-lalo na ngayon. Maaring nakikita nyo na to, kaya buhayin nyo lang yung inyong pag-asa, na things are going to change for the better. Things are going to fall into its right places at magiging masaya din kayo eventually. Malalagpasan nyo din yung mga pagsubok sa buhay, gaganda rin ang inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Lagi lang kayong umasa. Because when you are projecting hope, positive things, good things are coming your way. Yun ang maa-attract ninyo. Kasi nagtitiwala kayo sa universe. We have precious time. The fairy of time wants you to experience every moment fully and to make the most of precious time. And be mindful not to waste others' time either. Ayan. So, this is paalala para sa inyo na mahalaga ang bawat minuto na meron tayo, Kaya habang tayo may panahon, habang tayo may oras, i-maximize na natin ito at gawin na natin ito for the better, For the betterment of anything. Gawin natin, i-maximize natin at gawin natin ang mga bagay na makakabuti para sa atin at sa ibang tao. And also learn to respect other people's time as well. Lalo na kung kunyari meron tayong mga appointment, 'di ba? Nag-book tayo ng appointment, as much as possible pumunta tayo sa appointment natin ng a little bit early, 'di ba? Instead na tayo ay magpapahintay pa. Kasi that is one way also of showing respect to the people, 'di ba? Kasi hindi lang naman din tayo yung aasikasuhin nila, hindi lang naman din tayo yung taong pupunta sa kanila. Kaya kailangan na maging as much as possible maging punctual tayo, let's respect each other so that we can also expect other people to respect us. So good luck sa iyo. Thank you for watching. Laban Light. Namaste.